That's in a perk cue. We don't want any favoritism. You just got to mess up. All right, and Louis and Nelson. All right, are we ready? On your mark. Get set. Go. Okay, when they go, I'm going to come. Please get a strategy pause. He has to sit down and do it. The label's over there. Uh-oh. It appears that maybe this dude's got a few of them stumped. I don't know.
Yeah, he knows.
Officials, keep your eyeballs open. When your hands jump up, that's when I'm awarding it. Oh, I like the ninth grader in this one. He is kicking some butt over here. Oh, wait a second. Thomas is fighting. He looks good. Oh, don't come taking those, though.
Here you go, Dominic!
Oh, man, we're starting to get it. I can see it coming together here.
Here you go, Dom! Here you go, Dom! Go, Dominic!
Dexterity by the freshman is impressive. Keep going. Let's work for second and third. Nice job, nice job.
Oh, Dominic!
All right, everyone's still neck and neck. I'm going to go with Dominic right here. It's coming in second. He's trying to finish. Oh, good speed. Man, what's your strategy? How do you solve it so fast? He's just memorized it, folks. Nice job, nice job. All right, we're battling over here.
Shut up, senior.
Yeah.
Come on,
Jacob's still moving it. She's a mover and a shaker. Delay's struggling.
Gotta be louder than that.
The loud footprint underneath the pressure of battle of classes and sitting in your living room. I'll tell you that right now.
I've seen that.